Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. I have something very special to share with you. I don't know if you noticed, but I do have lots of fashion dolls, Barbie dolls. All of these dresses I crocheted. They're very special dresses and I want to share these with you. And these were crocheted quite a while ago, about 25 years ago. I did crochet a lot more of these dresses, but I can't find them. I don't know what I did with them. At the end of the video, I'm going to share with you the progress that I'm making with Princess Diana's wedding dress. Let's get to it. Help me out with my goal. Currently, I'm at 525 subscribers. I definitely want to reach 1,000 from now till the end of the year. Please do not forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. The fashion dolls that I'm using is mostly Barbies. Recently, I found this one at the dollar store for 5 Canadian dollars. So I purchased a few, so all of the fashion dolls that are not Barbie, I will replace. These crochet dresses, we call them calendar bed dolls. It's from the Cotillion collection. These are gowns from the Old South. And there's a whole collection of this. We've got from January to December, and they need a form. It's called a fashion bed doll pillow form. Let me show you. And this is the bed doll pillow form that I've crocheted. I've decided to do just one. Normally you do one for every doll, but I'm not going to. This takes a lot of space. The hole is where your doll will stand, and in it, it's cardboard. And I've used some paper towel form, and I did a slit so the doll fits perfectly. And this is what I'm going to be using to show you each doll. These dolls are the 1992 collection. This is the month of August. If you notice, they have quite a few layers to the dress. A Southern Belle dress on the side and on the back. No flowers, but you will notice a nice design in front, little ribbons, and this is the August dress. This doll represents the May month. It's very, very beautiful. I love the color. The hair was not styled, but that's okay. We can style the hair a little bit later. I just want to show you how nice the flowers are. These are very, very beautiful flowers. These flowers on the dress, I will create a video and show you how to make these. And they deserve a little bit more attention. So these I will explain how to make. If we look at the back of the dress, it's just basic. There are no flowers. We only see the ribbon going through the lace that was crocheted. I don't know if the collection is still available. This is the December dress. It's one of my favorites. With flower designs to crochet here, I did not do them. I changed the design a little bit. So I added the bows instead of crocheting the little flowers. There was this tiny red flower to do right here. I did not do it. I tend to make some changes when I do crochet depending on what I have available at the time. So this is one of my favorites, the December design. This one is the March dress. I have not styled the hair. This is a very, very nice dress. It has lots of lace details, lots of flowers all around the dress. It is one of my favorites, and also it is a long dress to crochet. These details are also showing on the sides and on the back of the dress. Unfortunately, these are the only dresses that is part of the collection I was able to find. I remember I did them all 12 and I don't know where they went. I don't know if there's somewhere I can find. I moved since. I could have given it away by mistake, but these are the 4 from the collection. I do have 2 more dresses to show you. This is the first dress that I've ever made, I've ever crocheted. This is part of the Paradise publications. It's the Crochet Collector Costume volume number 26. and it's a publication from 1996. A little muff or puff to put your hands in, a little parasol, hat, and the back of the dress is wonderful. Let me show you. If you look at the pleat, one of my first that I've ever crocheted. So this is why I started with the other collection, is because I found this nice to make and I wanted to make some more. I do have another dress to show you. It's this dress that I'm currently working on. It's the Princess Diana wedding dress. This is Princess Diana's wedding dress. It's not completed yet. There are ribbons that is missing around the waist, also some lace around the sleeves. Now these are the hands. The reason why I tape the hands, it's easier to put the arms into the sleeves. And you can see there's a little applique in front. The dress is very, very bulky. Puff sleeves, very high around the neck. And what you notice on the back are buttons. And this goes down to a V shape. I do still have some lace to add on to the dress. I still have the tiara to make the veil. Currently, I'm working on the train, and the train will be very, very long. Let me share with you the full 1992 collection. It comes in this folder. When you open it up, you first, in this side, you will see the wedding dress. This is the 1992 wedding dress. This is something I will probably be doing in the future with January. A lot of beautiful roses. I love the color. The hairstyle is very beautiful. And then we go to February. Lots of flowers. You've got your heart. And then this is March. March we've seen before. This was nice to make. Lots of flowers and lace. And then we've got May. The thing that I've noticed is I do not have April. Then we have June. And then July. I like how it comes up. It puffs up right here. And then we have August, September. It's a folder dress. This is October. Very pretty. Very, very pretty dress. Love the color. November. Lots of layers. It's not quite my style, but it's still pretty. And then we've got our December 1992 dress. There's 3 more patterns that I want to show you. This is the 1993 collection. I do not have the whole collection. I just have these 3 patterns. So the wedding dress, and you will notice that these dresses are not puffy like the other ones. This is January. Different style. I like this. And then this is February. I don't know if these are still available. I'm going to verify. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. So have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.